Today I will be sharing with you guys a very cheap handphone stand. Hey yo, what's up guys, it's me MrGim here and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another exciting unboxing for you guys, and this time around it's truly exciting because everybody can purchase this product because this product is really cheap. It is from Shopee / Lazada. You can also get it in Amazon itself. It is made up from China. It's just a phone stand. There is no brand. The brand itself is called Foldstand. Everything it's very basic. Instruction menu at the back and comes in a very crappy box. So taking out for the first time, there's a selection of colors, but I have chosen the white color. As you look at this material, it is made out of plastic, and I must say that the design is ingenious and also it is very affordable. It comes in 6 gaps, starting from 60-degree angle all the way to 75-degree angle. It actually engraved on the plastic itself, so for your viewing sake, it is quite easy to use. So if you're outside and you need something to stand, this could be a solution for you, as it has multiple angles for your viewing purposes, and not only that, it's foldable and it's lightweight. So right now I'm just going to show you some example. I have my iPhone 7 Plus with me, and this is the Plus phone, just so you know it's bigger in size. And take a look at this, it fits perfectly, nice enough for your phone. So like I mentioned before, there is 6 gaps for your viewing purposes. Right now just going to see this example. You can turn it to any angle that you feel is good for you, because I know that a lot of people have different type of liking. Not only you can place as a portrait format, you can also lay it as a landscape form. So perhaps after your meal or anything after that, you can just pack it and go very easily. Just push the bag to the front and just lay it flat down, and you can just slot it inside your bag. This thing is not big, so it's not going to take out a lot of your space. So what is the downside of this stand? Well, this stand is not able to charge while it stands by itself, so there is no space for you to place your cable. So the only way you can do it is when you view it as a landscape format, so that will work if you are in a Zoom call when you need to use it as a portrait format, so you won't be able to charge while standing. And one thing that I need to thumbs up for them is that they have included this silicone pad at the base. So when you look at it closely, it is a protective base for your phone, as your phone won't scratch directly on the plastic itself. So this is a good thought. If you are in the market looking for a cheap handphone stand, then this could be it. If you don't mind it being plastic and you just need to spend Singapore $2, and you can get this handphone stand by yourself. Alright guys, that is it for my video. If you find this video interesting, please slap the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, thanks, bye.